Now, the thing I want to see is I need to see price retrace back up to 74,000. If price closes above the 74,000 level right here, we are still bullish, and this has just been a huge liquidity sweep. Once again, we took out this liquidity right here. We look at the week, price going up, down, up, down, up, and we're going down. So as long as price retraces right up to here, and specifically the 74,000, we are very, very bullish. Now it's a battle. We're at 70,870, so we're going to see whether it can get back up here. But if it does, very, very bullish. And then Bitcoin, we're coming up here. Now I have this marked out as like our past high. If it respects this, like that's like I think these zones could be merged together a little bit. So unless I see like a close under here, that's like a definite low. But I'm gonna be keeping a close eye on price action. Now this is really important to see how those closes because it's going to determine how we move throughout the next of the week. So if we look at the day right here, Solana, we had this consolidation, we swept up, now we've broken down. So our area of interest on the day is for price to come back here pretty much. It could start consolidating, right? Like look, price can consolidate for a bit and then we come back up, which I think we'll probably end up doing. But price is I want to see price come back up here to then take shorts. Now, what happens on the week is going to determine whether I take those shorts or not. Because if we retrace up into that zone, yes, I'm probably not going to take shorts because I think that will be too bullish on the week. But if it does close underneath that zone, then I'd be looking for that retracement to then take shorts. So if we look at the day on Solana, that's what I'm looking for. We dropped down to the 4-hour. We had these past consolidation right here, which I wasn't too thrilled about because we never swept the sell side liquidity. I want to see us sweep a sell side liquidity, then we go down. If you look back up here, we have this level of consolidation, sweep, and then we go down. We didn't have that on this. So for the 4-hour, like right here we have a consolidation. So what I could see if I end up taking shorts is if price continues to consolidate like this, I'd want to see a sweep up, and then I would take a short down. That's the trade I'd be looking for on Solana. But remember, that hinges a lot on what happens on the week.